You need a frame, the YouTube thumbnail, the frame to send the client for approval, the color reference to keep on file. And every time, the routine: park the playhead, grab the still, find it again, export it, or let's be honest, a quick screenshot and crop. In this video, we shrink it to one click, a macro that saves the frame under the playhead as an image, straight to the desktop, with date and time in the name. A new file on every run, no overwrites. You'll need the Studio Edition of DaVinci Resolve with scripting configured. We set that up in the scripting video. The action is called DaVinci Still Export, and the form is minimal, a path and a checkbox. The yellow note reminds you. It works through Resolve's scripting API. No simulated clicks. It asks the program directly for the current frame. The path is where you want the file. Here, /desktop/frame.png. The tilde means my user folder, and it works the same on Windows and Mac. And then the add timestamp checkbox. It appends date and time to the file name. And that's what turns an export into a collection. Let's see it in action. Here's the macro from the package. Export frame as still. Playhead on the frame I want, run, and the PNG is on the desktop. Look at the name, frame, then the full date and time. Now, I scrub forward, find another good moment, run again, second file, different time, the first one is still there. That's the point of the timestamp. You can fire off stills as you scrub the timeline. This one for the thumbnail, this one for the client, this one for color, and every run is a new file. No overwrite, dialogues, no lost frames. Three details that make this action flexible. First, the format follows the extension. Type .png and you get a PNG. .jpg for the light file you pass around. And for the serious pipeline, you also have TIFF, DPX, and EXR. Second, the path understands the tilde and environment variables. You can write paths that work on any machine. Third, my favorite. If the folder doesn't exist, it creates it for you. Watch. I point to a stills folder that isn't there, run, and the folder is born with the file inside. Zero prep. And now the combo with the previous video. Two actions in a row. The first moves the playhead to a precise timecode. The action for video 55, the second exports the frame. The result, the same frame, every time, reproducible. You redo the grade and need the updated reference of that exact moment. One click. That's the beauty of these scripting actions. They're building blocks, and lined up, they become workflows. To recap, DaVinci Still Export saves the frame under the playhead as an image in one click. You choose the format with the extension, from JPEG to EXR. The path takes the tilde and variables, and the folder creates itself. And the timestamp checkbox gives you a new file on every run, perfect for collecting stills as you scrub through the edit. The export frame as still macro is ready in the package. In the next video, color flags on clips, how to mark the clips you need to revisit straight from the playhead, and clean everything up in one click.